This is Megan, and I am back today with my new kit share for the Scrapbooking Store Kit Club, and this is the December kit. I honestly cannot believe we are already in December. This should be going live on December 1st, so I'm a little in denial, but it is the best time of year, so we should be celebrating, right? Let's jump into this kit. So first, I'll show you all of the papers that come in the main kit and everything. You can see here you also get a 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So the collection is Simple Stories, and it's Say Cheese Christmas. That's the collection that we are using for December, and this one is just so stinking cute. I never would have purchased this one just because I'm not really, like, I'm a Disney fan, but I'm not like, we've never gone to Disney as a family, which I know, gasp, crazy, that's insane, right? We just don't live near Disneyland, and we just don't really have the money to spend on it. So even if we lived near it, I don't think we would go. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. It's crazy stinking cute. I love all the snowmen and the cute little characters and things. The poinsettia and the snowflakes. Just super duper cute. Okay, so the first paper we have are these balloons. Super duper cute. We've got Santa and snowmen and Mickey's little outfit, pants, and some polka dots and fun different things. And then of course you have to have a snowflake. I will most likely use this side. And then we have the Disney castle with some fireworks. I do like this background. That is really cute though. I like the bright green. Then we have the red polka dots, and then words. My goodness, I cannot think. Then we just have some Christmas words. So magic, peace, cheer, joy, believe, love, ho, 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 and goodness, like that. Yeah, sorry. My head is like really killing me, and it's affecting me more than I thought it would. I was like, I'm gonna get this done because I meant to do this all day today, and I just never did. Okay, so this one is 2 by 2 little cut apart elements that are super duper cute. And then you also have the little holly berries. Oh my gosh, look at that. Stinking cute snowman. I don't know. I don't think I have my camera on focus. I'm sorry, guys. I love a good stripe, and it's got the pretty Christmas colors, the reds, greens, and I guess it also has black and off-white. Then we have the 3 by 4 cut apart elements. These ones are so stinking cute. I love these ones. And then the candy canes with bows and holly berry leaf thingies. Then we have the peppermint candies. That's cute, with a green and red and off-white stripe. Then we have poinsettias. Can't have Christmas without poinsettias, right? And then a nice polka dot. I like that side too. Then we have the 4 by 6 cut apart elements. And then some fun Christmas trees. Those are stinking cute. Look at those. So cute. Okay, then we have the fireworks show going on here. And just a nice banner with a blue background. That's kind of fun. Then we got some Christmas lights strung on this one. Ooh, I kind of like that. just a smorgasbord of different Christmas things. So that's kind of fun. I like the dark kind of burgundy red. Ooh, this one's really pretty. I like that. And then the 4x4 cut apart elements. Super duper cute. So that is the main kit. If you are a subscriber and you only get the main kit, this is what you get. But if you are a subscriber and you also purchase the upgrade every month, then you will also get these 4 fun items. So first up, and I'm super duper excited about this, we are going to get, or you will get, American Crafts stickers. And these are in the picnic font. It's not going to focus on it, but it's a nice, pretty gold. I really, really like those. Okay, then we also have these American Crafts accent and phrase stickers. So this one says memories, making memories, great memories, day in the life, happy day, documented, good times, never forget, sweet moments, my story, and real life. So those are fun little elements to add to a page. Then we have these Sticko Merry Christmas stickers that have Santa and presents and reindeer. Just really, really cute. And then last but definitely not least, we have this Jolie's Boutique embellishment. And this looks so cool. So it looks like it's like a little ribbon type of thing. I don't know if you guys can even tell. I wish I would have turned on my focusing, but I will have to post pictures of these at the very end. Maybe I'm going to take it out of this so you can actually see without the words behind it. But it's super duper cute. So that'll be fun to use as kind of like a little banner or something. So that is the upgrades for the December scrapbooking store kit, and also the main kit. Make sure that if you aren't already a member that you use my link below to pick up your own subscription so that you don't miss out on any of the awesome kits that come out. Yeah. Anyway, I think I'm gonna go to bed. My head is kind of pounding now. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you will enjoy watching me use this kit this month, and I will see you very soon with my first layout. Thanks for watching. Bye.